I'm just going to show you how could you create the coupons. So here is a promotion. You have to go in a shopping cart, and catalog price rule is if suppose that you would like to discount any category, so any category with all products discount, so you can create the catalog price. Other than you want to give a coupon code, then you have to create shopping cart price rule. Oh, I think here you have created already. So I just show you how can you create from starting. Add a new rule. You have to give the rule name like a special discount 50% sale active, and select which customer group you would like to give the discount. Other than you can select the whole groups and create here coupon. If you create no coupon, then it will be apply according to rule automatically. Other than you have to create a special coupon code. So coupon code you have to give here 50 days, 50 days. If you check here, so it will be apply on customers automatically. Other than he have to put on the box this code. After that it will be applied. User per coupon. User per coupon is use 1. User per customer is 1. One customer one time can be apply this coupon. If you want to increase the number of using, then you can increase it. Here you can give the date, on which date it will be applicable. Priority, it will be 1, so it will be if other rules is applying, so that rules will be cancelled and apply only this rules. If you can 0, it will be automatically get the priority. Feedback RSS, no, it will be not index in a Google. Condition, here you can give the condition. What condition would you apply? Subtotal should be card of the minimum or maximum, and other have also rule condition. So we are giving the all rules currently for looking it, and we are giving the percentage of how much discount it will be applied. Here is the apply percentage of product discount, fixed amount or fixed amount discount whole cart. So we are giving the percentage of 50%. Maximum quantity or applicable. You can also add the quantity, how much quantity should be in a cart. Other than right now we are giving only 0. Label. Here you can give the label of like 50% special discount. After that save it. Need to code. Okay, I just added the products here. Here is a subtotal 5% and the shipping handling charge this one, so total amount is going this one. Applying the code, apply. Okay, so you can see here discount is applying or 50% of amount, this one. I think it is helpful for you to create it. Thanks.